Good afternoon to one and all present. Myself Aryan from Plus 2 Commerce. Today I will be attending your motivational lecture on a very interesting topic, that is simplicity. Simple living, that is the real beauty of the character. What is simple living? Simple living does not mean to just look simple. Simple looks cannot make you more progressive in your life. Simple looks are not important, just simplicity in your dealings is really important. What is simplicity in dealings? To find pleasure in small and very simple kind of things. I'll share a small instance with all of you. There was a millionaire person. He was a millionaire, he has crores of rupees, and her mother somehow or other, she was feeling so unhealthy one day, and she was admitted to a hospital. And that millionaire told that today I have a very important business meeting, so you just inject my mom with some poison. I just want that let her die, now she is in old age. What she will do in this type of age? So he just told the doctor, and doctor was astonished that you are a millionaire. Why just you want to make your mother die? Mother is something very important. So the millionaire replied that I just have a big business meeting. I just want to look after my meetings. So what I want to share is that people nowadays are running behind the complexities of life. They are not ready to accept simplicity. They have power, post, position, money, beauty, fame, name, everything they have. But still they are not eternally happy. In olden days, there were people, they were having no money, no good food, no good clothes, but still they were happy from inside. They were having eternal happiness. What is this eternal happiness that always motivates them? That eternal happiness is simplicity, the simple living, the simplicity of our own character. I will share one of my personal experience with all of you, that I have one very nice habit, that I massage the feet of my grandmom every night before sleeping. And this is my habit from my childhood. I don't know why, my parents motivated or anything else can be the reason. So every night I am massaging and I am sharing all my day with my grandmom. All what happened today this happened, today that happened. And the pleasure I am getting by sharing my heart to my grandmom, to any relative, is like that I am feeling very comfortable after this. So the eternal happiness is realized when you are simply calling yourself out of these complexities of life. You are playing the video games. Now people are living together. They are living together in big houses. Big celebrities are living together. But they are not actually together. Father, he is watching IPL on his mobile. Children, they are playing their own games. And mother, she is watching her favorite TV serial. They are living inside the same house. But they are not actually connected to each one of them. They are just living together, but they are not actually together. What is the simplicity of heart? That is to live and greet people with heart. Whenever we go out from somewhere, we touch the feet, but that is not from our heart. So the simplicity means when you are eternally conscious about others, you are into the serving motive. What is this serving motive? That is only about that how much pleasure you want to give to others. Everyone is running behind own selfish ideas. You are making fake expressions, fake hello, hi and all these things. But that is only limited up to yourself. That is not above others. That is not for you are doing for others. So what I want to share is that simple person has no impurity in his heart, no hypocrisy, no duplicity, and he just live for others and for himself. He lives for himself also, but he lives for others. In his dealings, his simple ways, his simple innocence, that attracts the people more. Everyone has money, there are big celebrities, they are eating tablets of migraine and depression. They are having everything. They are having everything, but they are not really happy from inside. The reason is only lack of simplicity. So I hope you all understood my point. Thank you very much. That's it.